Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to save our Claude Code tokens. So I have found some GitHub repository that is code review graph. So you can see that the number of stars. Okay, so let's set up this one. So first of all, you have to check that the Claude Code plugin is installed. Okay, via CLI. Okay, so the last time for the token optimization we use the caveman, right? So you can just watch the last tutorial, you'll get to know about that one. Now the another one, that is code review graph. What exactly it does, it builds a structural map of your code with a tree setter, track changes incrementally and gives your AI assistant precise context via MCP, so it reads only what matters, right? So the token problem without Claude Code, with Claude Code, so you can optimize the number of tokens, right? So how you are going to do that? So first of all, we have to install the code review graph. Okay, there is, yeah. So these are the commands. If you're going with the specific, then you have to go with platform this. Otherwise, we have to go with this one, right? So let's go and install this. Control C, quit, exit. This is weird. So first of all, I think we need to add the Claude. Yes. So code give install npm package 2026. So I think first of all we have to install the pip package. Maybe I missed that one. So you can see pip install this one. So first of all we have to install the this command pip install. So it runs that one. Okay, after that we have to install the code review graph install. Otherwise we'll go with the simple terminal also. MCP hooks registration code next step is code review graph build. Okay, so you have to go with this one. So it will read the entire code base. Okay, so it will just create a map for this, right? So I'm not knowing that which module it is using. Okay, so it's doing that one, minimum effort. Okay, so for the time being I need to just exit from this. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. Okay, so these are the commands that you have to install. First of all, pip install code review graph, then this, then that one. Okay, one command setups everything. Install, detects which AI coding tools you have, writes the correct MCP configuration for each one, and injects the graph where instructions into your platform rules. Okay, so it auto detects whether you installed via UVX pips and generates the right config. Restart your editor tool after installing. Okay, so hope it will give you saving your tokens of the cloud. Use it and do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.